Hello there, welcome to the intriguing world of digital design. Today we delve into the realm of brand protection and aesthetics as we craft an elegant watermark logo using Canva. This is an effortless process that will not only safeguard your creative work, but also elevate its professional appeal. We initiate this journey by setting up our Canva design. Fire up Canva and create a fresh design. A square canvas is highly recommended for a neat watermark. Adjust the dimensions to your preference and voila, the canvas is set, ready for the magic of design. The next stage involves choosing design elements. Navigate to the Elements tab. Here you will find an array of shapes and icons that can represent your brand. Feel free to select an element that resonates with your style. Drag it onto the canvas and adjust the size to your liking. With the element in place, it's time to inject some personality into our watermark. This is achieved by adding your brand name or initials. Click on the Text tab and key in your text. Don't shy away from experimenting with different fonts and styles. However, remember that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication when it comes to watermarks. Choose a font that complements your brand aesthetic. Finally, we perfect our watermark by adjusting the opacity and placement. To achieve a watermark that is subtle yet visible, click on the element or text and adjust the opacity using the slider found in the top toolbar. The placement of your watermark also matters. Consider putting it in a corner or along the edge of your canvas. And there you have it, a stylish watermark logo using Canva. It's a swift and simple process to protect your creative work while also adding a touch of professional allure. Remember, the key to a great watermark is simplicity and strategic placement. So go ahead, give it a try and elevate your brand identity with a customized watermark logo.